Hi everyone, welcome to Foodie Vibes. Today we are making chicken shish Turkish kebab Indo style. Okay, let's start. In this recipe, it is better to use boneless chicken thighs rather than chicken breast. Here we have some boneless chicken thighs which I'm cutting into equal pieces. For example, in one thighs we are having like 5 pieces. Next, we'll prepare the marination. To the chicken, we'll add some blended onion, some Greek yogurt, around 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, some finely fresh grated garlic, little bit of cinnamon powder, 1.5 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, cumin powder, black pepper powder, salt to taste, some paprika powder, and finally little bit of olive oil. We'll give a good mix, then cover and let marinate overnight to get a tender and flavored chicken. Okay, now we'll thread the chicken onto the skewers. It's better to use the Turkish triangular skewers for this recipe. As you can see here, the pieces are a bit long. You just have to fold them onto the skewers. Don't tighten them too close so that they get spaces to cook well. Okay, here I have already preheated the iron cast pan. Now we'll place the skewers on the top sides of the pan without letting them touch the bottom of the pan. The kebab will be cooked with the heat from the iron cast pan. Brush the remaining of the marination sauce on the chicken. We have to turn the skewers regularly so that every pieces will be cooked well. It may take approximately 25 to 30 minutes. And here we are with the Turkish shish kebab Indo style. For a perfect bite, we are having it with some mutabel, which is an eggplant recipe that I will post in my next video, some Turkish flat tortillas, and with a spicy tomato salsa. Hope you have liked my video. For more, please share, like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.